you want to learn some tips and gain a bit of their confidence, and then we can bring that back in Montreal and build a stronger team, definitely.
And very excited for the big event today, learning a lot about Atomy. Aja, aja, aja.
Are you willing to commit to seminars every day? I mean, every month? Are you willing to? They want more. They want worse. When's the next?
Our Royal Master Rebecca Wang shared how to utilize our success system.
Hello? We have so much tools. The passion is the passion for their success.
I thought I was doing a good job with my team members, but when she mentioned about Good Morning Atomy Canada and how she as Royal Master prepared for Good Morning Atomy Canada morning section.
Still do it at the center every week. We have discussions after. Watching at home, you don't get that energy. So I watch at home at 7:30 and then I watch again at 10:30 because I need to know the content to deliver at 10:30.
And most importantly, you must build is to become a great leader. You need to have that confidence. You need to have the confidence in yourself that you're a leader. To become a leader, first of all, acknowledge yourself that you're a leader. That's number one. And then no one can deny you for that because they cannot judge you. They don't know you.
For us as center managers, I'd like to encourage everyone not to be scared about vision speech because it is your opportunity, your chance to be able to change other people's lives. In content, there's two things that we need to remember. It needs to touch the mind and touch the heart.
I used to have like 2 weeks migraines.
So I said, which one am I gonna choose?
In Toronto, there's so much skin. I was crying. What's happening to me? What is
first time? So I really learned a lot from this.
Today we're very lucky to have all the center managers across Canada to come join us here for our seminar, which is, we never had this before. It's so nice to have other people come in to our Vancouver seminar.
Side by side, and I show it to them.
curious why Atomy is
Why I need to do Atomy. Why I want to do.
It's my first time for the Center Managers Workshop this year. All the tips and the ideas that they gave us at the workshop, it helped me a lot to make my own speech and really coming from the heart.
Is you guys need to learn all the time. Communication is the number one remedy. Once you break out of your shell, more doors will open.
I thoroughly enjoyed my time at the Center Managers Workshop. I treasure the chance to have many center managers and leaders staying and learning together for 1.5 days, especially that many of them are new center managers whom I haven't got the chance to know them before. What I observe in all center managers is their immense dedication to assuming responsibility for the growth of their members. Because of love, they are willing to endure the hardships of running an education center